Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can be able to create AI photos on Facebook. Guys, there is a trending AI photos or AI images that you can be able to create on WhatsApp. Recently I made a video or an update on how you can be able to create AI photos on WhatsApp. So today in this video there is a new update on Facebook that you can use to create AI photos or images from Facebook. So guys, I will be requesting you that you watch this video till end. Guys, make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to create AI photos on Facebook. So guys, here without wasting much time, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing we're gonna be doing here we have to open our Play Store, or you open your App Store. If you are using iPhone, you just open your App Store. Then you have to search for Messenger. If you do not have Messenger, you have to install your Messenger. So you have to make sure that your Messenger app is updated. You have to make sure that you update your Messenger. So let me quickly update my Messenger right now. So guys, after updating your Messenger application, here you have to open your Messenger. So guys, as you can see here, it has opened, and here at the top you can see Ask Meta anything. Ask Meta anything. You just have to click on it like this, and guys, it won't be coming up like this. But guys, please, before I show you further on how to do this, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request today subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press on the notification bell so that anytime we upload this kind of videos on our channel, you will be the first person to be notified. So guys, here what we're going to be doing here, it says Ask Meta AI anything. So what you're going to be doing, you have to just insert a story about a particular thing like that. You just have to insert a story about a particular thing. So quickly, let me insert a story here. So guys, as you can see, I've inserted a short story. So I'll just click on the send at the top right hand side. Just click on send. So you wait for it, so it will be coming up like this. So basically it will give you a story about this particular thing I just wrote right now. Firstly, it will give you a story about this men of the world, so evil and bad. So it will just give you a short story about men of the world that are evil, guys, as you can see. So guys, in order to create AI photos, trending AI photos, what I'm gonna be doing here, in down below we have message. So here you click on message. So here you can type whatever AI message you wanna see. So for instance, a man, or let me say a man work a man working in a large farm, in a large farm sorry in a large farm with family, so you click on enter. So wait for it to load. Let's see if this can actually create an AI photos for us. Let's see if it can actually create an AI photo for us. So guys, as you can see, it's already loading. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, as you can see, this is an AI photo. This is an AI photo about a man working in large farm with his family. So you can also insert another one. For instance, here you can say african 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 fat boy. Okay, let's say a black fat boy, a black fat boy running with fish, running with fish. So we click on enter. Let's see if we can get another AI photo with this particular statement, or with this particular write-up that I just wrote now. So we wait for it, and I will show you how you can also download. So guys, as you can see, here we have it again, here we have it again. And how can we download this? Guys, in order to download, it's very simple. Let's click on the image, and we have a download icon here. So what we're going to be doing, so we click on download. So the image has been saved on our gallery, and you can go back to your gallery and see the image. So guys, this is how you can create trending images on Facebook, trending AI images from Facebook. If you found this video to be helpful to you, hit on the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.